Well, now that the USAC build's over, I'm trying to figure out what's next on the bench. This Revell Hummer H2 is going to be one of my long-term projects this year. Still sealed, so let's open it up and take a look. All right. Got some glass with the molded in sunroof right there. We got some clear taillights, some nice clear headlights. Looks like we have some side windows. Those are nice. Those are all individual. Wow. This thing is pretty big. It's nice that Revell packaged everything in their own bag. Everything looks very secure. Body looks good. Mold lines could be a hair deeper, but all the body moldings look really fantastic. Now, I just learned this is a curbside kit. I'm a little disappointed in that because I bought a GM diesel to go inside of here, but that's not going to happen. Chassis looks great. Engine detail looks really good. So there's a transfer case. Looks like there's a separate drive shaft. I'm kind of glad that's not molded in. I'm okay with this stuff. I'm glad the drive shaft and the rear end isn't molded in. Copyright 2004. Opening rear hatch. Not going to need that. Let's take a look at the interior pan. Well, there's obviously not too much there, but looks like some positive mounting locations for the seats. You know what I do like about this interior? There's no marks whatsoever. It's great. Very, very clean. Underside, look, you have a couple on the underside. That's fine. Nothing on this side. Great job, Revell. And plastic is molded in 3 different colors here. We have a gray, a white, and a black. I wonder if that's because this was previously a snap-tight kit. Even the detail here looks great. Hummer molded in. Here's the hood latch molded in wipers, or separate molded wipers. Those look great. It's a rear differential with the drive shaft. Even that looks pretty good. I think this must be the front. All right. We got some roof rack bars for the top, some other handles. Look at that. Man, these handles are great. Molded in handles and latches. All that looks great. And that's weird. Chrome plating on the mirrors. It's on the black tree. Wonder why they didn't put that in the chrome tree. I don't know. Still looks pretty good. Some other suspension components. This looks pretty good. Real clean. Hardly any mold lines. Let's take a look at the chrome tree. And again, mirrors on the black tree. Not quite sure where they're not in the chrome tree. There's a grill. Again, the slats are opened up. That looks nice. These wheels are absolutely gigantic. I don't know what size they are, but they're gigantic. I'm not going to be using these. Some of the side steps. Those look real nice. Looks like maybe a little underbody protection. That looks pretty good too. Let's take a look at the interior parts, molded in gray. Detail looks nice. Again, excellent job, Revell. Really beautiful stuff. One side, the other side. Rotors and calipers, those look pretty good too. There's the exhaust. Boy, Very, very, very clean. It's going to take minimal cleanup. I like that. Looks real nice. Dashboard. It's a hideous dashboard. All the components on there. All right, some entertainment. Guessing that's some molding for the rear hatch. Looks good. There's a handle right there. Looks like some hinges or some clips right there. Let's take a look at the seats. Seats look good. They have molded in seat belts. It's interesting. Even the rear seat looks pretty good. The seat backs. We have an axle, 2 axles with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. So I think this is a screw bottom. Let's take a look at these tires. There's a tread on the tire. Looks pretty good. And no sidewall markings. Tires are a little stiff. Wow. That thing is absolutely gigantic. Let's see how it looks in relation to, let's say, a paint bottle. It fits securely in the middle of that. Hopefully you guys can see that. That's how massive that thing is. I'm going to take another tire out. You guys see that? Thing is massive. All right, anyway. Wheels and tires look just fine. They're not going on this kit, but they look just fine. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with this thing. The detail looks great. All kinds of molded in parts. Even the detail that's molded into the body looks fantastic. This thing's going to be cut up, though. So don't get too used to how it looks. Again, this is a long-term project in the ScaleSpeedworks model car garage. So stay tuned for some updates, and I'll see you guys on the next one.